Hi, my name is Kaylin Wenzel. I'm the Digital Marketing Manager at Urban Valet Dry Cleaners. I'm here for my first video essay to tell you guys about laundry symbols. Laundry symbols can usually be found in the garment care label of our clothing, and they let us know the preferred method for maintaining the quality of a garment. In 1963, the International Association for Textile Care Labeling, also known as Genitex, was founded in Paris. The organization is credited with creating the first laundry symbols, which you can see right here. And since their inception, the laundry symbols have been widely embraced and have gained worldwide acceptance. In the 70s, the American Society for Testing and Materials and the Canadian General Standards Board developed their own symbols, but closely align them with the original Genitex symbols in order to avoid market confusion. Going through the laundry symbols a little bit, if you see a tub with water, that means your garment is machine washable. If it has an X through it, it means it's not. And if it has a hand, that indicates hand washing. The number inside of the tub is the maximum amount of temperature you can wash the garment in Celsius. And if it has lines underneath it, that indicates a gentle cycle. If you see a square with a circle inside of it, that means your garment can be dried in a dryer. If it has dots in the middle, that indicates heat levels, with 1 being the lowest amount of heat and 3 being the highest amount of heat. If you see an X through it, you cannot put it in a dryer, but that means you can either dry it on a line or dry it laying flat. So the X is usually followed up with either of these symbols. If you see an iron, that indicates you are able to iron a garment. Like the dryer, the dots in the middle of the symbol indicate heat levels, and if you see little lines at the bottom, that indicates steam. If you see a triangle, that indicates bleaching. One with an X lets you know that you cannot bleach a garment, and one with diagonal lines or filled in indicates non-chlorine bleach, usually to protect the color fastness. Professional textile care labels indicate dry cleaning. The letters inside indicate the type of solvent that should be used while dry cleaning. There are economic and environmental reasons to follow these laundry symbols. Economically, if you can prevent damage, that will save money on clothes in the long run. And environmentally, if you follow these laundry symbols, you won't have to wash your garment multiple times, and you could protect your water bill and your cleaning bill. If you need any help following these symbols, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you look and feel your best.